See, and as you yourself well know, well, maybe not all of you, how many of you speak more than one language? I mean, obviously the European you do, and okay, yeah. See, Americans they're fucked. Okay, so when you, as you know, when you speak more than one language, the thinking is different. It's not the same. That you don't make the same distinctions, and you can think in ways in, say, French that is not the same in Spanish or English, and certainly not Swahili. I mean, come on, huh? See, or Japanese or Chinese. It's a different structure, different distinctions. Obviously, it's going to be, because we're global, communities, there's going to be a lot shared, especially now. But it gives, see, that it helps show us that, see, the distinction of anything like mind, because we were just working mind, see, the distinction of anything like mind is different in one language and another and another. See, it's like, well, what are we talking about? See, well, we're talking about an invention. See, we invented mind. Not you and I personally, but humans, and basically Greeks. The ancient Greeks invented this notion of mind. Now, was their invention of mind Geist? Okay, did they include ghosts and stuff? I mean, spirits? What? I don't know. I won't remember. It's too far back. I'm pretty old, but still. In any case, you see, but what we've got, like what ended up in the English language, it was a particular distinction. Then again, as you might notice, right? See, I don't use words in the conventional sense very often. I mean, most of the words I use, like all these things I'm saying right now, generally are the conventional sense. Okay, see, like that, because I'm communicating. But when we talk about mind or consciousness or awareness, whatever, perception, interpretation, I use them in different ways. So then there's that distinction. And so part of what occurs in a workshop, for example, and or here, is you learning the distinction that I'm making. See? Because I'm not making the same distinction as most people, generally speaking. See? And it's useful to share the same distinction. So you can have a different distinction, see? But you need to know what I'm referring to when I use the word mind, so that we're on the same page there. Or anything else, and that can be a challenge. See, because you'll hear the word, and then you'll associate it with whatever distinction you make with that word.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.